Yo, YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be discussing one of the pieces that I've caught from the most recent revenge drop, and this being the Red Lightning tee. Now this tee was a email exclusive. This is the first time they've ever done something like this with revenge, and it's been pretty interesting. So the link started coming out around, probably I want to say on like maybe like 450ish, like 445ish, and people on the sub started talking about their problems, because of course there's always going to be problems. People were having problems with like checking out and everything like that. Like if you only checked out one item, you couldn't go back and get another one. Because I thought about it, I thought about going back to get the black hoodie, but fuck it. But yeah, this drop was pretty weird. A lot of people missed out on it due to the fact that a lot of people's email links had expired as soon as they clicked on them. Some weird glitch happened, and a lot of people couldn't get the shit that they wanted, and a lot of people were upset about that, and I totally get that, and I feel sorry. But you're not really missing out on much. The printing is still the same with this blank. I'm just not sure what's going on with that, this whole design, why they can't print it correctly. But I mean, it's okay, but it's still kind of like hit or miss, like the blue ones. I thought it was gonna be somewhat better, which it is tiny a bit, just a tiny bit. But the blanks itself are pretty dope. They're regular revenge blanks. The shipping normally would take about like a week after the drop for me to get my items, but with this drop that week, it took, I want to say, around probably 2 weeks or 3, almost like a month. And that was kind of like a shocker for me that they were like slacking behind, but they were prepping for the newest drop that was coming up. And yeah, man, overall, this is a dope tee still. If you're looking to get this, of course you can go on places like Grailed or eBay, places like Depop and stuff like that, and maybe you can get one for a great price. I mean, it's a cool tee, you know. That's all it is. It's nothing special. But yeah, I've really found that interesting that they decided to do this email listing drop. And I mean, they were hinting on the fact that this was coming out for a while. Some people forgot, some people slept, you know. I really don't want that to be the future, because of the way that it went and the way that everything happened. That was just definitely not the go. Definitely not the go. I just have like regular drops like we always do. I mean, it's cool to do that every now and then if the shit's gonna work and it's not gonna be as buggy and everybody's able to get the pieces that they want. But with that being said, here's the tee. You know, you have the front, then you have the back. I was actually surprised that they put something on the back. But yeah, overall it's a pretty dope colorway. A lot of people like it more than the blue. Personally, I still like the blue more than the red. It's just something about that blue, it just pops and hits different for me. But yeah, tell me what you think in the comments. I want to say thanks for checking out the channel, thanks for checking out the video, and don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.